How to fix GCash app GLoan something went wrong. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the source icon. Tap on the source bar. Now type GCash. Now tap on search. Now tap on GCash and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type GCash. Now tap on GCash and click on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete. Now restart the application. If nothing solves the issue, go to the Play Store again and tap on Uninstall. Now tap on Install again. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.